Today I want to talk about what I think is one of the best side hustles that I haven't heard a lot of people talk about on the internet. And what I'm talking about is mobile vehicle detailing. If you want to be your own boss, make your own hours, and work outside, starting a mobile detailing business is one of the best ways to earn really good money without any special skills or equipment and very little upfront cost. This is something I've been doing for the past 2 summers and can fairly say that being a mobile detailer has made me more money than 90% of people my age working full-time jobs. So what is mobile detailing and how much can you make? To put it simply, detailing is the process of restoring a car's appearance from old and dirty to new and clean. Now there's many different services that can fall under the detailing umbrella, from simple cleaning and washing with a vacuum, power washer, and other simple equipment, to steam cleaning, clay barring, paint correction, there's ceramic coating, there's engine bay detailing. The sky really is the limit with this business model. For the purposes of this video though, I'm going to talk about the simple interior and exterior vehicle cleaning that takes the least amount of upfront cost and skill to get started. Now the mobile part of your mobile detailing business is that you take your services to the customer. Instead of having them drive to a shop to get their car detailed, you show up with your equipment and perform the same job on their driveway or garage. The only equipment that you need to start detailing is a wet dry vacuum cleaner, you need a power washer, you need some products such as soap, leather cleaner, tire shine, and degreaser. You need rags and towels. You need extension cords, hoses, and buckets. And you need some brushes. With this equipment, you can get started doing some quality details that you can charge up to $200 per vehicle for. That is the price that I've charged for my average detail, which takes about 4 hours. This does not include tips, which means that you can make upwards of $400 to $600 a day easily. Just cleaning people's cars with very minimal upfront investment. Now in terms of the actual detail, I don't want to make this a how to detail video. There's a lot of really good videos out there that go in depth as to how to perform an amazing detail, but I will go over the process that I've been doing for my details that I've been charging for that $200 price point. The detail. So I usually start off my detail with a very thorough vacuum of the interior. I remove the mats and I power wash them if they're super dirty, or I just vacuum them if they're not that dirty. I remove stains using the degreaser. I clean cup holders, any pockets and buttons that have debris and dirt in them. I remove dog hair. I gloss the interior trim pieces like the door and the dash. I do a leather clean and condition. I clean the windows. I power wash and clean the door jambs. I do an exterior wash with soap and wax. I remove any bugs or debris that is on the outside. I do a rim clean. I wash the wheel wells, and I dress the tires with tire shine. And that's about all I do for my detail. This may not seem like a lot, but if you do this, you will notice that it does take some time, especially for really dirty cars, which you will definitely get. And if you do it well, you will see a dramatic difference in the look of the car, and so will your customers. So before you move on to the next step and try to get clients, I recommend detailing your own car and maybe some friends and families, just so you can get a good understanding of what it takes to perform a good high quality detail. How do you get started? So you've got all your equipment, you've practiced detailing on your own car and some family members. How do you start to get clients now? When it comes to marketing your business, the short answer I can give you is try everything. If you want to get as much work as possible, you have to put your service in front of as many eyes as possible. When I started doing this, I would put up door hangers, I would hang flyers on mailboxes, I would knock on doors. All these methods definitely work, but what you will notice is that they can be very time consuming and take a long time before you can really get the ball rolling with your business. I would say utilize social media as much as you can when you're trying to grow your business. Get creative, make videos showing your detailing process, post before and after pictures. Don't underestimate the power of Facebook groups. This is a post that I put on a local Facebook group near me. I explained that I'm a university student running a business. I talked about the service I provide, and I added a picture of myself and some before and after details I had done previously. People love this post, and it has closed me over 20 jobs this summer alone for one Facebook post that took me 5 minutes. Now, if none of these methods work for you, you can always go the paid advertisement route. Doing this, you can get your business in front of a lot more people than you ever could going door to door. You can also market your service to dealerships, where they give you a bulk amount of cars to detail for them or sign you on as a private contractor that handles all their details. Now, this can be a great opportunity, but be wary of doing deals with corporate entities, as they are usually pretty specific about how their operations are run, and they often try to spend the least amount of money as possible. In my experience working for a dealership, you usually end up working more for less money, but on the flip side, you have guaranteed work. It may take some time before you get your first client, But once you start getting the ball rolling, eventually you won't need to do any marketing at all. Word of mouth will do the job for you, as long as you're doing a good job. Which brings me to my last point. From my experience, there are two things that I could say are the most important factors in succeeding in a business like this. I would say they are quality and consistency. Treat every client like it's $1 million client. Do your best work every time and you will undoubtedly be rewarded for it. Maybe not initially, but good work does not go unrecognized. Trust me. Here are just a few Facebook comments I've had from happy customers. Don't overestimate the power of word of mouth. This one client I had posted in a Facebook mom group that closed me more than 10 details. That's $2,000 in revenue with $0 in marketing and 0 time spent doing sales. Just word of mouth. It isn't the easiest thing in the world, but if you're consistently providing a quality service and you're organized with your time, you are just about guaranteed success in a business like this. Like I said in the beginning of this video, the sky really is the limit with this business model. It isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It is going to take work and time, but if you follow the steps I've given you in this video, you are well on your way to running your own detailing business and being your own boss. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm Alex from Think Rich, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.